Good morning. It's day 9 of our Mature Skin Makeup Challenge, and it's a Saturday morning here as I'm filming this, and so I have some time to play. So I decided today what I would do is I would do the lashes, the false lashes that I got in my BoxyCharm. I think it was the month before this. And I've been promising that I would do them. I'm a little nervous because I've never done false lashes before, but here they are. I think they're called Lavaa. And you can see the packaging, they're still in the package. So this will be, watching me go from start to finish in this whole trying on false lashes for the first time. So stay tuned. That's what we have for today, the 9th day of our Mature Skin Makeup Challenge. Okay, here we go. I'm going to open up the package, if I can. Might be the toughest thing of the whole adventure, getting the package open. Okay, here we have the lashes, of course. Oh. So I'm going to show you what's in here. I think this is the instructions, which I'm happy about. So let's see here. It says first I should remove the lashes gently from the tray. Okay, I got a little in my tray here. Got this tool, if I can get it out. Okay, so here's one lash. And it says remove gently from the tray. Do not pull on the individual strands. Now measure and trim. Well, this should be interesting. Okay, measure and trim. How am I going to do this? We'll try this. My handy little Chanel compact. I don't really want them in the, well, I don't know. Okay, I'll just do the whole thing. What the heck? Okay, so I'm just going to trim a little bit off of them. I feel like they're just a tiny bit, like, I don't know if I can do this so you can see. But I feel like they're just a tiny bit too big, not too much. So I'm just going to take a little bit off. Honestly, people, this is like, I have no experience at all with these. So anyway, it's fun, isn't it? Watch somebody do this for the first time. You guys who are pros out there are probably laughing your socks off. Anyway, let's see. Okay, so I have trimmed them. So now it says, apply the lash glue. It says, apply lash glue along the eyelash band. Allow 30 seconds for the lash glue to thicken and build an adhesive bond. Okay, so here we go. I'm applying the lash glue. Oh, I see. It's like a, okay. So I guess you could put this on your eyelid where you put eyeliner if you wanted to. But I'm following the instructions so you can see. Sorry, I should do it so you can see. I'm putting the lash glue on the lash band. And then I'm waiting 30 seconds. So I won't make you wait with me. I'll be back. Okay, I think 30 seconds have passed. I took my hair back so I can do this properly. So I've got this little tool. I think it's for pressing in. But anyway, here we go. I'm going to put them on my eyes. Here we go. Oh dear. Okay, not working. I'm not sure why. Got a bigger mirror just in case. Oh dear. Okay. Fail. I can't get them to stick down. Do you think it's because I didn't use enough glue? Maybe? It's this end right here. I can't get it to stick down. Here, maybe I can do this. What a mess. I knew I was going to be hopeless at this. That's why I hesitated so long. And the thing is, I don't really think... Okay, I'm going to try going in my big mirror in the bathroom and see if I can rescue this operation. Okay, I think I got one on. I have to put my glasses on in order to look to see, but I can tell you right now, it feels like I've got something sitting on my eye, and I can see black, like black kind of, invading my vision at the top. And now I have to wear glasses, and honestly, these are so long. I don't know if this is going to be hilarious, but let's try. Okay, so what do we have here? I mean, I think they're too high up, but I did get them on. But I think I kind of would have to practice, or, put some black eyeliner down there because they're too far away from my actual lash line. I think it's hilarious. But anyway, and they're so, like, I don't know, I think they're so big. But anyway, I'm going to go and try and put the other one on, just so I'm even, and we can decide at the end if we're ever going to do this again. Okay, so here we go. I got them both on, but honestly, they're not the same. I'm kind of way too far off with this one, and I missed the corner of my eye here. And but they're both on. I think my issue is, I mean, the process is incredibly complicated to me personally, and I can see how people like them though. Like, they are very glamorous and beautiful, I think. And it's not the fault of these lashes. They actually are quite beautiful. They're very soft and silky feeling. I think they're too long for me. I think what might work for me, if I were going out or something, like, really fancy and wanted to glam it up a whole lot, I might try the individual lashes. In fact, I probably will try that because I can see how those would be, pretty. But I think this is a bit of overkill for me. And not only that, but when I put my glasses on, like, they're hitting my glasses. And I need my glasses. I need my glasses or I can't see. So I can see, false lashes for me having a place when I'm going out to a very, like I have a gala to go to in May, and maybe if I were trying, to really glam it up on a holiday, somewhere for a nice night out. But they are falling down too. Like, they are falling where I cut them. But anyway, that would stop eventually, I know. So that's my tryout of my false eyelashes for the first time. Now I'm going to wear them for a little while, as long as I can take it. It's a Saturday morning, so I can stay in my house and do nothing and just kind of putter around. And then I'll come back and I'll let you know how it's going. Okay, so it's been just over an hour that I've been wearing these. I think my assessment is this. Obviously, I didn't get them on properly. It would take some practice to do that. But I don't think I would ever put a full band on. I still am of the same opinion that maybe one or, 3 or 4 little lashes glued in on the corner might be nice. But these feel very heavy to me, and I can see them. And I'm sure eventually you would get used to it, but it's just not for me. I mean, I think they overwhelm me, and so it's just not me. Now the fun part is I get to go and take them off. But if you're enjoying this content, and if you have comments that you want to help me out with, how to do this better, or should I give up completely and I'm totally hopeless, or tell me how many times you broke out laughing at me in this video. Oh dear, it's been fun though. But anyway, if you like this content and you're liking what you see on my channel, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up for effort anyway. And I will be right back. Okay, so that was a big adventure. I have to say though, they did peel off very easily. I was worried about that they wouldn't come off, but that was very easy to do, and I was able to save them. So they are back in their little box now. And I will give it another shot. I might chop them all up and see if I can make them into individual, because it's a shame to waste them, I think. But anyway, here's Bonnie. And Bonnie and I would like you to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up and like if you would. And we're going to say goodbye. You say bye-bye to the people? What? Say bye-bye, people. Bye-bye, people. Okay, there she is. Okay, there you are. Okay, bye-bye now.